Hello, everyone, and thank you for stopping by. This evening, I want to share with you a money saving tip. Every year, Amazon Prime subscribers get an exclusive offers on countless products for what used to be 24 hours only. This year is the longest Prime Day yet at 48 hours. Yes, they're going to extend it for two days. It's coming Monday, tomorrow, and Tuesday. This discount expanded into a 2-day opportunity, and one sure bet for Prime Day savings are discounts on the devices that Amazon itself produces. Look for deals on Echo devices, Fire tablets, Kindle, e-readers, Fire, TV media streamers, and other smart home gadgets. Amazon is already testing some deals you can expect on Monday. Do not miss out on this. To participate in Prime Day, this is Amazon Prime Day, you need to have an Amazon Prime subscription. And if you do, if you will go through my link that's listed below, I'm an Amazon associate. What that means is that I get a small commission on some of the things that Amazon sells. And this helps me to continue with my channel. If you're not familiar with Amazon and never used it, Amazon Prime is a paid service that offers you unlimited 2-day shipping on millions of items, as well as access to Prime Video streaming and Amazon Music. And to get your 30-day free trial, that's 30 days you could use this, go to the link that I have down below, and it'll take you right to where you have to go. After the trial, Amazon Prime costs $12.99 a month, and you could cancel at any time. So if you want to do some shopping, this Monday and Tuesday is the time for you to check out Amazon. And you can get this Amazon Prime free for the 30 days. So even if you just want to try it out and cancel it before the 30 days, not to pay the $12.99, it's no problem. And if it's a service that you think you'll continue to use, stay with it at $12.99 a month. And again, if you use the links I have below as an Amazon associate, I would greatly appreciate it. I hope you get to save and enjoy the next 2 days. And if you found this video useful or have any questions, post your comments down below. Give it a like. Be sure to share it. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Josie button and the bell not to miss any of my upcoming videos. And as always, stay well.